In front of me is a Huawei P Smart from 2019, and I'll show you how to check the email of the device. So there's actually two ways to do it. One is through settings, so we're gonna start with that one. And once you're in settings, you can go all the way down into system, right here. And from here, tap on about phone. And as you can see right now, IMEI, and it's right here, the two different ones. And the second method will require opening up the dialer app. So you can open it up, and from here we're gonna put in the code, which you can see, 4 zeros. And as you can see, you also see the two different emails right here. So those are the two ways you can check it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.